Okay. Well, hello everybody, my name's Dark Fox, and welcome to Dodoo. This is a horror game. I found on SideQuest, and it has the same mechanics as Gorilla Tag, so it's probably some like port from it. But yeah, this is a horror game, and this is a fan recreation of Trout VR's horror game Poopoo. What? This is only the second version of this game, so expect some bugs. One notable bug is when you get jump scared and respawn. Multiplayer will not be available. You will have to restart your game when you die if you want multiplayer back. Have fun. Oh, there's multiplayer? There's what? What? Wait, there's multiplayer? Dude, I should... Oh. If there is oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. If there is multiplayer, it'll be so fun to play this with the people on Discord and the people I play Pavlov with and Capuchin, which I didn't make a video about, and Among Us too. That group, yeah, it'll be so fun. But this is an experience. Okay, what is? Oh, okay, that's just, all right. Yoink. Okay, all right. I am gonna fall to my doom. Oh, I'm not good. Yeah, okay. I'm not that good at Gorilla Tag / Capuchin, but I am not horrible at it either, so as that being said, okay, what I don't like is that I cannot, like, orient myself with the joystick, or, like, move myself around, or turn, because, I have no idea. The developer just didn't want to implement that. So I have to move in real life, so I apologize, but I will stand in the same general area. It's just my face won't always be facing the camera. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. No. Alright. I love this game so far. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know if the multiplayer is enabled currently. But if it is, then I'm the only one on this game. So, as of this moment, so, yoink. Oh, no. Oh my, what is here? I don't even know, look, I don't know, like, what happens if I fall, though? Oh, that's probably something I don't want to know. Oh, shit. No! Alright, well, I'm gonna figure out. Shit. I don't hear anything. Oh, fuck. Wait. Hey, whoa. What's the glowing thing? Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Hi. No. Oh, fuck you. I want a hug. Okay, oh my gosh, okay. Well, that's that. Okay, that's that path. I don't know if I have the time. I can probably check all of them. Alright, this place is under construction. Okay. Alright. Bring a flashlight. Well, I already have one equipped. Don't know what's over here, though. Oh, shoot. Am I facing? I'm facing the correct direction. What's in here? This place might be under construction. Oh, hi. Hey! Oh! Oh! Wait, so is that just death every time? Oh. Alright. Hey, what's up, dude? Wait, I'm stealthy. No! It's inescapable death. Okay. Alright, so that's that. This is the pool area, which, don't know what's up with it. Well, those are pretty odd diving boards, okay. Or slides, however, whatever you call them. Are they even slippery, or? My goodness, this is hilarious. Okay. Wait. I'm not. Oh, frick, I'm hitting the wall. Okay, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8. It's very... Man, the slope does not help, does it? Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. But yeah, you just gotta orient your hands, which is not helpful when your hands are legitimately balls. So... Oh, frick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man, climbing this is difficult. Oh, no! Fuck, frick! No, 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 please, please, please. No! Oh my god! Get me up there. Go. Oh, I'm so tense. Oh, no, I hit my wall, frick! No. 1, 2, 3. No, I hit my wall again! Frick, frick, frick. No, fuck, fuck. Fuck, oh, no. Frick, fuck. Shit, bitch. Oh, swearing is the key to success. Oh, okay, I got to success. Okay, so if I jump, would I just slide, or... Damn, bummer. Oh, that was for nothing. Okay, so this is a pool. Getting some backroom vibes under here, so I don't know why. So empty. Okay, so this is just a pool. That's all, right? Nothing special. I guess it'll be fun to hang out with friends under here. So, man, I'm out of breath. Okay. All right. Let's go to that horror room again with the death monkey. But like, man, I'm loving this game. I actually may like this even more than Capuchin. Alright. Okay. Okay, and I apologize if I seem loud, but like, I have the volume for this cranked up to like 10, so... What? Oh, I was about to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Oh, no! No! Hi. Hey. There's no escape from this. I'll come to you! No. Hug. Man, he just really wants to come in. Okay. So... I'm just trying to get as far as I can over here. I don't know what's after this, though. Okay, I should probably play it slow. Okay, slow. Slow. Okay. 1. Oh, no, Huh? Hi, hey. I really gotta get... I did good the first time. Give me a hug, dude. Okay. Because, like, when he's, like... When you see him hug you, or when you're at the precipice of the jump scare, you don't hear anything. Just near the end of it. Yoink. Okay. Yoink. Okay, yoink. No, please! Huh? Oh, it's water. There's... Huh? Oh, I turned around, and there it was. Like, the very first time I tried it, I got so close. I just missed the last jump. Okay, but there is multiplayer, so that's good to know. Get my buddy to play this with me. Yoink. There's some people I played Among Us with, for sure. That's definitely. Man, I'm really close to hitting my boundary. It's this jump that's pretty difficult. Okay. Yo, every time I'm at like a ledge or something like that, I just think about Dream On by Aerosmith. Okay. Oh shoot, wait. No, please! Oh, please, no! What? What the? Hey, man, give me a hug. Oh, damn, that's 70. Oh, no, fuck! Oh, no, no. Hey, man. Don't future me leave this in. No, please! What? 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 Guys, I figured out something. You have a grappling hook. Wait. Guys, wait. I'm a god. Wait. Guys. I'm a whoa. No, what? Whoa. Oh, I have a grappling hook. What the hell? Guys, I have a grappling hook. Oh, what? Oh, shoot. That's where I'm supposed to go. Whoa. Well, that grappling hook is pretty cheapsy. Wait, so there's nothing here? What the heck? Anything up above? No. Dude, I have a grappling hook, though. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see him. Oh, that's convenient, isn't it? Wait. Does that mean I can avoid this guy? Wait, let me see this. If I could... Wait. Oh, I can't. It's an invisible wall. Ah! Whoa. Hey! Huh. Wait, so... Like... Who the hell are you? Okay. Oh, my goodness. Wow. This is incredible. Oh, grappling hook all day, dude. Wait, so is there nothing in the construction room? Can I go up here? Can I go up? Can I go up in the... Can I ascend to the beyond? No, I cannot. Okay, what about this? Yeah, this place is just under construction. What the frick are in this crate? What the hell are in these crates? They're bananas. I got... What? What? Oh, I see. Okay, wait, if I go like, whoa. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I think I can kill it. Guys, I think I can kill it. I think I can kill it. Okay, grab 2 of these. Guys, I think I can kill it. Okay. Let's go try. Man, the grappling hook's just the way to go, isn't it? Okay. Ascend. Okay, so as you can see, it's right under there. That little red spot in the distance. So if I go like right here, then I go like, whoa. Alright, then I go down. Okay, right here. Okay, I'm gonna... Wait. Okay, wait. Hey, buddy. I got bananas for you. They just go in the water. Time I have for this episode of Dodoo. But I do plan on playing this in the future with some of the buddies I know. With some of the people I know. With my friends. I don't have any friends. But with some people I know, alright? Anyway, so... Yeah, take care. I wish you all the best. And thank you so very much for watching. My name's Dark Fox, signing off. Goodbye. Take care. Bye-bye.